Hello viewers, WhatsApp saved contact not showing. Showing this error, your contacts are not synced. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, find WhatsApp and then long press on WhatsApp. Now click on App Info or I button. Now go to Permission. Scroll down, click on Contacts. From here, allow contacts permission. Now go back. Scroll down, click on Storage. Now click on Clear Cache. Go back. Now click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen and restart your phone only for power off and on. After all this process, now open WhatsApp and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.